prepare yourself for some seriously impressive tools that are ready to take your skills to the next level. In this list of 20 amazing tools, we've got one that makes welding and cutting feel like a breeze, even underwater. And the best part? It's fully customizable to suit any task. We also have a router table that offers incredible versatility, easily switching between handheld and table routing with zero hassle. Built with top quality materials, it's as durable as it is precise. And this is just the start. There are plenty more tools coming your way. Stick around to see them all. Ever wished you could measure faster and never forget a number? Meet the Recon T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure, a tool that's here to make your life a whole lot easier on the job. This isn't just a tape measure, it's a digital powerhouse designed for pros who want speed and accuracy. It's got all the features you need. Whether you're measuring tricky spaces or finding the center of a wall, it gives pinpoint precision, right down to 1 by 32 of an inch. Plus, with an integrated green laser, lining things up becomes a breeze. What's even better, it can store up to 1,000 measurements. No more scrambling to remember or writing them down on scrap paper. Everything is neatly organized on its digital display. And thanks to its tough build and impact-resistant design, it's ready for any construction site. Oh, and did I mention it syncs with the Rock Job Site app? Share your measurements, notes, and calculations instantly with the team. It's a real game changer for any project. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing up tight spots, or just tackling everyday jobs with awkward angles and tricky screws, Skill Twist 2.0 Screwdriver is here to make this easier. Its pivoting head locks in 3 different positions, so it's comfortable to use even in tight spaces. You can adjust the torque settings for different tasks, and the forward-reverse switch is super easy to use with one hand. Plus, it has an LED light to help you see what you're doing in dark corners. The battery is integrated and charges via USB-C, which is a nice touch. While it's not designed for heavy-duty construction, it's perfect for assembling furniture, fixing toys, or any small repair around the house. It's a handy tool to have in your drawer. Take the guesswork out of measuring with the Bosch Blaze Laser Distance Measure, especially for those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. With its graphic display, you'll see numbers clearly, even in low-light settings. This compact tool uses a laser to accurately measure distances up to 100 feet, with an accuracy of up to 1 by 16 of an inch. The graphic display is easy to read, even in low light, and the real-time measurement mode instantly adjusts as you move closer or farther from your target. A handy rounding button lets you quickly round measurements to the nearest half or 1 by 32 inch. It's super easy to use, with just 2 buttons for measuring and rounding. The rubber overmold housing makes it durable enough for any job site. While it's a bit more expensive than a regular tape measure, the speed and accuracy it offers make it a worthwhile investment for any DIer or professional. If you've ever tried to make precise cuts on delicate materials, you know how tricky it can be to avoid mess and distortion. That's where the Jakemy Ultrasonic Cutter and Polisher shines. This tool lets you cut, grind, and polish all kinds of materials, from soft plastics to hard metals, with unbelievable precision. This 2-in-1 tool uses ultrasonic vibrations to cut through materials. The ultrasonic tech keeps things cool, so you don't have to worry about melting your materials. It's smooth, efficient, and gets the job done faster than you'd expect. Whether you're finishing up 3D printed models, crafting jewelry, or working on metal projects, this tool makes everything feel a lot more manageable. With its range of blades and polishing tools, you're equipped for almost anything. Tired of your tools cluttering your workspace? The Air Wrangler offers a clever solution. This is the world's first universal air tool holder, and it makes your workspace way more efficient. The best part? You don't have to waste time fumbling around. With the automatic locking function, just push your air tool into the holder, and it locks into place. No extra hands needed. When you're ready to grab it, you can do so with just one hand. The holder fits all 5 major types of 1/4-inch quick connect plugs, so it doesn't matter what brand you're using. And the installation? Simple. Mount it anywhere, either by bolting to metal or screwing into wood. This durable holder can take up to 100 pounds, so you don't need to worry about your tools falling. It's strong, efficient, and ready to organize your workspace. Want to weld like a pro, even underwater? The X-Laser Lab X1/X1 Pro offers a breakthrough solution to make welding, cutting, and cleaning smoother than ever. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this powerful all-in-one laser tool gives you precision and control for every project. They use a high-energy laser beam for precise and clean welds, even on thin sheets as thin as 0.2 millimeter. The X1 and X1 Pro can handle various materials like stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum. The X1 Pro even includes a wire feeder for more complex welding tasks. A unique feature is the ability to safely weld underwater or in wet conditions. What's amazing is its modular, open-source design, letting you customize and expand your setup as you go. You don't need bulky, expensive machinery anymore. This machine's lightweight, yet packs all the professional-grade tools needed for flawless results. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. If you've ever found yourself struggling with measuring awkward shapes or long lengths, Roll Measure is the solution you didn't know you needed. This tiny titanium tool is like a rolling ruler that can measure straight edges, curves, and even odd shapes, making it incredibly versatile for everyday use. The best part? Roll Measure has an infinite continuous measuring capability. It doesn't matter how long you need to measure, it loops back to zero once you hit 100 inches or 100 centimeters. So you can keep going and going, like a tape measure that never ends. Plus, there's no battery needed. Its fully mechanical design means it's always ready to go, and the tactile clicks as the wheels turn make it oddly satisfying. It can even add and subtract measurements by rolling forward and backward. Lightweight, compact, and with a retro titanium design, it's a tool you'll want to carry everywhere. Painting just got a whole lot easier with Hide Tools' Flexi frame roller frames. If you're tired of the hassle of walk-off or uneven pressure when painting, this roller has you covered. With 2 attachment points at either end of the roller, it ensures a steady, even pressure across the entire surface. The Flexi frame design even gives you the freedom to get super close to walls or ceilings without worrying about splattering paint where it shouldn't be. Thanks to its slim connector arm, there's just about ½ an inch of space between the roller and the edge, so you can paint right up against the edge without overshooting. What sets it apart? It's modular. The handle and roller are separate, so if you're switching colors, no need to clean the roller. Just remove it and swap out for a fresh one. Plus, the long, flexible handle and bucket hook make it easy to rest your roller without a mess. If you've got big painting or staining projects on your hands, Wagner Control Pro 130 paint sprayer is the tool you need. You can pour up to 1.5 gallons of paint directly into the hopper, so you're ready to go without constant refills. One of the standout features is its high-efficiency airless technology. It reduces overspray by up to 55%, so not only does it save you paint, but it also makes cleanup a breeze. The 515 HEA spray tip covers a 10-inch spray pattern, ideal for latex paints, giving you a smooth finish without splatter or gaps. With a 25-foot hose, you can easily reach 2-story walls. Plus, the gravity-fed system makes priming and cleaning quick and mess-free. A spill-resistant lid and integrated handles keep things moving efficiently, making it a must-have for large projects. Need a versatile toolkit that fits in your pocket? The Workpro 5-in-1 Interchangeable Plier set is a handy solution. This set includes wire pliers, crimping pliers, scissors, and wire strippers. Everything you need for electrical work, repairs, or DIY projects. Made from alloy steel, these tools can handle a lot of pressure, so you don't have to worry about them wearing out quickly. The universal handle is both strong and flexible, designed to help you apply more pressure without straining your hand. Plus, the secure snap-in mechanism ensures the parts stay in place, so you won't have any mishaps during use. The best part? It's compact. The whole set is under 20 centimeter when put together, which makes it perfect for carrying around in your bag. You'll be surprised how handy it is when you need it the most. If you've got exterior wood to renovate, you know how tough it can be to get that smooth finish. That's where the FarTools RX 120 steps in to make your life a whole lot easier. This powerful tool comes with a 1300 watt motor, making grinding and brushing a quick and efficient task. Whether you're working on wood, metal, stone, or concrete, this machine does it all. And with its variable speed control, you can adjust from 900 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, depending on what you're tackling. What's really nice is the ergonomic design. This tool feels comfortable in your hands and has a vibration-free handle, so you can work longer without discomfort. Plus, it has a vacuum connection for cleaner work, keeping dust and debris at bay. Ideal for everything from patios to garden sheds, the RX 120 is your go-to tool for a smooth, professional finish. It's a bit heavy for long overhead work, but for big projects, this is definitely a must-have. This router table has a secret weapon. The Woodpecker's StableMax RT router table system lets you switch from using the router table to handheld routing and back again. No tools, no knobs, no hassle. Just a simple snap-in, snap-out design. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for those who need flexibility in their woodworking projects. The table itself is incredibly solid, made from 1-inch thick, 17-ply Baltic birch plywood. Way sturdier than the typical 3/4-inch particle board found in other router tables. This means it's built to last, no question. The rubber bumper ensures a snug fit for your router, giving you solid precision every time. And when it comes to the fence, you'll love the micro adjustment feature, which allows you to dial in your settings with extreme precision. Plus, the built-in dust port makes cleanup easy. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, the StableMax RT gives you flexibility and quality that's hard to beat. Hanging up your favorite artwork or mounting a shelf used to feel like a two-person job, right? With the Bosch Atino line laser, you've got everything you need in one clever little device. Whether it's picture frames, TV screens, or even hooks, this tool makes it all super easy to get done on your own. The Atino combines a laser level with a 2-meter measuring tape, so you can align and measure in one step. It sticks to all kinds of surfaces, smooth ones like tile or even rough walls, with a gel pad or pins, making it versatile for any setup. Plus, you can get that perfect straight line at multiple angles, thanks to its LED-guided accuracy. This tool gives you freedom. No more asking for an extra hand or juggling multiple gadgets. From shelves to mirrors, you're covered. It's built for those simple, everyday tasks that just need a little bit of precision. When you're on the road, having a reliable car jack can make all the difference. The CC Electric car jack is more than just a jack, it's a 3-in-1 toolkit that can handle any roadside challenge with ease. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire or need to change a wheel quickly, this set has you covered. Not only does it lift cars up to 5 tons with its hydraulic system, but it also includes an electric impact wrench to make removing and tightening screws a breeze. We're talking about changing tires in minutes, without breaking a sweat. The built-in tire inflator is a nice bonus, letting you pump your tires back up to full pressure in no time. Plus, it comes with a pressure display, so you can keep an eye on everything. This compact kit runs on your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter, making it super convenient for any trip. It's portable enough to store in your trunk, but tough enough to handle sedans, SUVs, trucks, or off-road vehicles. Drilling into a wall can be a bit nerve-wracking when you're unsure what's hidden behind it, but with the Bosch Universal Detect, you can confidently avoid any surprises. Whether you're hanging up a picture or installing lights, this little tool helps you detect what's going on beneath the surface so you can drill safely. The Universal Detect can scan up to 10 centimeters deep into walls, ceilings, or floors, picking up on metal, live wires, and even wooden substructures in drywall. It's super easy to use with no complicated calibration needed. Just switch it on, follow the simple animations, and get to work. The tool's LED traffic light system shows green when it's safe to drill and flashes red when it's not, giving you clear and quick feedback. You can even use it overhead, and its built-in hole lets you mark exactly where to drill. Whether you're tackling a home project or just want peace of mind, the Bosch Universal Detect makes the job stress-free. Ever need to see inside a pipe, engine, or wall? The Testlong Borescope lets you explore those hard-to-reach places with ease. With its flexible, two-way articulating probe, it lets you easily maneuver around tight spaces, whether you're inspecting your car or checking for issues around the house. This tool saves time and effort, turning complex inspections into quick and easy tasks. It comes with a 4.5-inch IPS LCD screen, giving you clear, sharp visuals, even in low light or bright sunlight. No need for any apps, just turn it on and you're good to go. The semi-rigid 5-foot gooseneck cable is the perfect balance of flexibility and stability, letting you guide it exactly where you need to inspect without losing control. And when you're working in dark corners, the built-in LED lights on the camera probe have you covered, with adjustable brightness to make sure you don't miss a thing. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's designed for comfort so you can keep inspecting without fatigue. Need a versatile vise that can handle just about anything? The IQ Base might be what you're looking for. Built with high-quality hardened steel and cast aluminum, this vise is designed for durability without being overly heavy, making it perfect for both tough jobs and easy portability. It's tough yet portable, perfect for any project. The real magic, 360-degree articulation, twist, angle, lock. It's all effortless, thanks to the Quick Cam. From delicate carvings to heavy pipes, it holds firm with up to 130 feet-pounds of torque. Double-sided jaws grip wood, metal, even odd shapes. Plus, it's compatible with handy accessories like a work light or magnifying glass. The IQ Base isn't just a vise, it's your versatile workspace companion. Tired of being tethered to a cord when working with foam? The Manova foam cutter is cordless, giving you the freedom to create anywhere. This hot wire cutter boasts a durable 0.35mm cutting wire, thicker than most, for fast, clean and smooth cuts through styrofoam. It heats up quickly and comes with 4 interchangeable tips: a long cutting tip, a wide hot wire tip, a U-shaped tip, and an engraver tip. One charge gives you 60 minutes of use. It's perfect for foam carving, model building, Halloween costumes, signs, and DIY projects. The package includes everything you need, even a cleaning scraper and extra wire. Just remember to work in a ventilated area, as foam cutting can produce fumes. 6 blades, laser guidance, and stable cutting. The Doaman Circular Saw has it all. This versatile saw comes with 6 blades. That's 2 for wood, 2 for soft metal and plastic, and 2 for tile. So, whatever you're working on, you're covered. Switching blades is a snap, which means you can jump between projects without any hassle. A built-in laser guide and edge guide keep your cuts straight and true. Plus, there's an extra metal auxiliary handle and a larger base for extra stability. Bevel cuts? No problem. It handles 45 degrees with a maximum depth of 1 3/8 inches. And for straight cuts, you can adjust the depth up to 1 11/16 inches. Safety's covered too, with a dual activation system, so no accidental starts. And there's even a vacuum adapter to keep the dust down. It's corded, so you'll need a 120-volt outlet, but the Doaman saw is a seriously versatile tool for any DIYer or homeowner. For professional drywall finishers, Optimo drywall tools deliver speed, accuracy, and top-notch results. Their automatic taper lays down compound and tape simultaneously, making flats and angles a breeze. Wear parts are interchangeable with other major brands, so repairs are quick and easy. Need to fill your tools fast? The Optimo loading pump is built to prevent leaks and works with most major brands. It even has adapters for filling boxes and other tools. For perfect flat joints, check out the Optimo flat boxes. They're compatible with other brands, come in popular 10 and 12-inch sizes, and feature adjustable mud flow. Optimo tools are all about optimizing your workflow and taking your drywall finishing to the next level. So there you have it, 20 next-level tools that are ready to revolutionize your projects. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tool discoveries.